Hi, Angie. How are you? I'm going to share my lesson in a moment so we can view our lesson one, a review of the solar system. Okay? We're going to go over some vocabulary now. First, we have the word asteroid. That is any of the very small celestial bodies revolving around the sun. You see it here in a picture. Then you have the word astrology, which means a false science, a science that it's not true, that claims to tell a person's future by studying the heavenly bodies. It's not true. Some people think that if you look at the stars, you can know your future, but it's not true. Okay, then we have the word gravity. It's a natural force that causes objects to move toward the center of the earth. Then we have the word meteoroids, an object in space which becomes a meteor when it enters the Earth's atmosphere. And there you have a picture, looks really cool, right? Okay, so God spoke the universe into existence, the Earth, the moon, the sun, the planets, and other small objects like meteoroids and comets and asteroids make up the solar system. The solar system is part of our galaxy, the Milky Way, which has many, many stars. And here I have a picture of how our galaxy looks like. This is the Milky Way. And this is a piece of the Milky Way from where we can see it, the Earth. And also you have to remember that we have a Bible verse that says in Genesis 1:14 that the Bible tells us that God made the sun, the moon, and the stars. Okay, let's talk about the sun. The Earth is 93 million miles from the sun. If the distance was greater, we would freeze. If it was less, we would burn because we would be too close to the sun. The sun is our star, the center of our solar system. The Earth, the moons, the planets, comets, meteoroids, asteroids all revolve around the sun. They move in circles around the sun. Without the sun, life on the planet would be impossible. There would be no weather. You know that the tilt of the Earth causes seasons, but without the sun, we wouldn't have seasons nor weather. The heat from the sun also causes wind, moves the Earth and causes wind. The sun seems to rise in the east, meaning from the mountains here in Lima, and it seems to set in the west. But that's because of the way the Earth rotates. The Earth rotates, meaning it spins in place once every 24 hours or once every day. And the revolution of the Earth around the sun, meaning when the Earth goes around the sun in a circle, takes 365 days and 1/4 of a day. That's 1 year. But you know that the sun is also spinning and it moves through the Milky Way at a speed of 43,000 miles an hour, though we don't feel it. We don't feel our galaxy or our Earth moving. The moon. The moon, it's about 240,000 miles from Earth. The moon has no air or water. It has no light. Gravity on the Earth of the moon, it's only about 1/6 of what we have on Earth. Okay, if you want to know how much you would weigh on the moon, you have to divide your Earth weight by 6. If you want to know how much weight you could lift on the moon, you would have to multiply it by 6 how much weight you can carry here on the Earth. You know that 2 astronauts made the first landing on the moon in 1969. They brought back rocks, soils for them to study. Wait, let me fix something here. Okay, next, the planets. You know the planets, we have 8 planets in the solar system. Mercury here, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. And stars. Okay, we see, well, in a really clear night, somewhere where you can see it away from the city, you would see between 3,000 and 5,000 stars. But scientists estimate that We have countless galaxies, and each galaxy has billions and billions of stars. So not even scientists know how many stars we have. Okay, and then a little difference, it's remember the difference between astrology and astronomy. Astrology, it's a superstition, something that it's not true. People believe that looking at the star, they can know about their future. But astronomy, it's a scientific study of the universe. That is true. Okay, and here's a cute picture of a telescope, so you know that it's a real scientific instrument. Okay, Ash, that would be it for today. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.